Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2019 G20 320i M Sport in black sapphire metallic. Alongside a superb exterior colour, this vehicle features the full BMW M Sport Plus package. So we do of course get the superb M Sport Plus brakes alongside some very nice other extras. You'll see there the 19-inch 791M alloy wheels that are in the original bi-coloured jet black at the front of the car, as well as those very striking LED headlamps. You'll see the vehicle also features the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. So at the front you do get the lovely gloss black kidney grills, as well as a matching front splitter. Down the side we've got the frozen side vinyls and gloss black sidebars. It also comes with the sun protection glazing, again thanks to that M Sport Plus package. It's a very low mileage car, this one. So you will see throughout, it's a very clean and tidy example. Inside we've got a full black Vanensky leather, which is of course currently being illuminated by the wonderful blue ambient lighting, which is of course all interchangeable. Thanks to that M Sport Plus package, we do find ourselves with the Harman Kardon surround sound system within this car. And of course there, another nice feature, which is one of my personal favourites, is the wonderful M seatbelt option. And again, although a small feature, does make that big difference to your overall interior experience. For rear passengers, you'll see there, we've not only got the split folding seats, which is of course all now standard on the G20s. You'll see it's a very comfortable and spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench. Before heading round to the very rear of the car, again trying to show off as best as possible these very clean and tidy 19-inch alloys that come all the way around with the Goodyear Eagle F1 tyres. We've got the M rear spoiler, and of course you'll now find that the G20s come with the dual exit exhaust in the M Sport trim. However, thanks to our M Sport Plus package, we get the lovely jet black exhaust tips as well. Rear facing reversing camera. The boot space is of course larger than the F33 that this car replaces, and whilst you take a look at that, it's of course worth mentioning we're currently running a click and collect service here at Your Next Car, and if you want to find out more about that and of course this wonderful example of a G20 3 Series, simply follow the links I'll leave for you down below in the description. From there you can find out about prices and funding options, of course, as well as all of our other incredible examples. And I'll quickly pop that seat up, show you the rest of the seating for rear passengers, and again showing you off just how well in combination the M seat belt and of course that wonderful ambient lighting feature works together. And we'll go now take a seat inside the driver's side, because with all the G20 3 Series there is a huge amount of technology packed inside these wonderful cars. We do of course have both the live cockpit and the full touchscreen professional wide navigation and media screen. We'll get the lovely car started up and run you through the central portion of the live cockpit. So at the moment, once the standard service messages disappear, you'll see there we've got the map view up, and of course our large digital speedo alongside the fairly regular looking analog digital speedo and RPM counter. And again, this vehicle also comes with the adaptive M modes thanks to the M Sport Plus package. So you'll see down here we've got adaptive and then the 3 regular modes. When we go into sport, you can see there I can configure the vehicle to a setting of my choice. This is a nice bit of customization for you in here, so we can choose everything right down to how the transmission works, all the way up from the damping and steering settings, as well as of course the engine modes as well, which is of course always really nice to have. In terms of the widescreen sat nav, not only is it a sat nav, it is of course also much more than that. These widgets are all interchangeable. As you can see there is also news and weather feeds, and again this is all switchable. So say if you don't like that layout, or you want something more of your own preference, it is really simple to do. It works exactly like all of your smartphone devices. In terms of the sat nav, thanks to it being touchscreen, it's a real breeze to use. We can pinch zoom, we can tap into start destinations. However, if you don't like touchscreen items, it's not a problem. BMW thankfully still provides you with an iDrive scroll wheel. If we go back in and take a look at some of the standard features and some extras on top of those, again, we've got all of the regular Bluetooth telephone and audio. However, we also have Apple CarPlay enabled on this car. And then back into some of the multimedia. There is also music collection, Spotify alongside DAB, and of course the regular USB and AUX inputs. The car itself has covered just over 20,000 miles. It has just been serviced at BMW. So of course we still have all of our BMW service history, again as you can see there. And of course, being the year of vehicle it is, does also include full BMW service history as well. So there is a look around at just some of the technology that's packed into this wonderful 320i M Sport G20. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And again, guys, if you would like some information further on that, simply follow those links down below. Thank you very much, take care, and bye-bye.